Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change characters or operators in Delta Force. You might want to switch your character or operator either for aesthetics, tactical advantage, or just for variety. This tutorial will walk you through the general steps to do so. First of all, launch open Delta Force application on your device and make sure you get to the main menu. From here, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Operators. Inside Operators option, you will be able to see a list of operators you can change to. If you have multiple unlocked operators or characters, pick one from the left-hand side menu. Once you find the operator or character, you can then customize the character or deploy them. Other characters that are locked will need to be unlocked to be deployed. Select any free characters or the unlocked characters you want to change to, and once you select them, you can customize them by tapping Custom at the bottom right. Here you can go ahead and change their appearance, name, emote, executions, watch, etc. After finding one of the character and you'd like to change them, click on Deploy at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you can now move back to the main home screen, and that's how you can easily change your operator or character in Delta Force. Whether you are tweaking your look, switching to a stilled skin, or just trying something different, this tutorial should work for most versions with similar interfaces. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.